there YouTube friends, welcome back to another episode of Auntie A's Kitchen, simple and delicious food cooked and prepared in South Korea with South Korean ingredients. If you're new to this channel, annyeonghaseyo, welcome. It's a beautiful sunny day. I feel inspired to cook a salad. Now, my family back home, whenever they cook dishes in England, Spain and Germany, dishes will be full of colour and vibrant in flavour. So we're going to do that today in South Korea by making a roasted potato chorizo salad. Now, real simple to make, takes a little bit of time, but it is full of flavour and full of colour. We're going to boil some potatoes on the hob, and then from boiling the potatoes we're going to put them into an oven dish and put it into a very hot oven to roast up and go crispy. And in with that we're going to put some garlic and some onion. Then on the hob we're going to cook up our chorizo sausage with some sun-dried tomatoes and throw in some peas and some spring onions at the last minute. So you'll have the combination of the red and the green, the crispiness, the sweetness from the tomatoes, absolutely delicious. Please cook this for yourself, take a picture and tag me on Instagram. Really appreciate all your support. Thanks for joining with us today. Let's look at the ingredients and get cooking. You need some chorizo sausage. I've got some potatoes here. I'm just finishing up with some ingredients that I have lying around. Some spring onions, already cut up, just got those out of my freezer. Some peas, garlic, onion, and some sun-dried tomatoes. You don't have to use the sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to put a few in with my chorizo. And the spices, basil, oregano, and rosemary. And I'll use salt and pepper. I've peeled some potatoes and got them on to boil. My oven is heating up, so I get on with cutting some garlic to roast with my potatoes. So, get some oil on your tray so that the potatoes don't stick. Boil these. Then I'm going to put my garlic, spread out the potatoes, they'll roast quicker that way. Some salt and some pepper. And just toss our potatoes so they're coated. And what we're going to do is just roast some chunks of this, intersperse it in with our potatoes, like that. This is going to go into the oven for 35 minutes at 210. After 35 minutes, I get my potatoes out of the oven to turn them over so that all the sides cook evenly and get crispy. I will turn down the heat of my oven to about 180°C and then put this back into the oven to finish for about another 20 minutes. While these are cooking, I will get on with preparing and cooking the other ingredients. Oh, quite big chunks. Love that sound. Okay, for our roasted tomato, I'm going to use some of this oil, not too much. Okay, looking great. Here's our potatoes. We like our potatoes really crispy, so I check them and turn them one last time. Let's get some of my garlic marinade into the pan. So into here, let's get our chorizo and our onion. You can see the spice, the peppers inside the chorizo sausage. Let me show you. Cooking nicely. Already the smell is incredible. Season with a little bit of salt and pepper. Cut our tomatoes up just into smaller pieces. Just like that. And smell the sweetness. A little bit longer, then we'll add our other ingredients. Okay, let's add our tomatoes and all the juice. Add our spring onions and our peas. Into here, add some basil. If you don't have fresh basil, then just use some of your dry herbs. Oh, the smell is incredible. So we have our roasted potatoes with our, let's put that here, our garlic and our onions. You're going to get little mouthfuls of roasted garlic with the potatoes. Let's get that into our bowl. Don't know about you, but I love roasted garlic. Okay, let's serve up chorizo, tomato, and toss that so that the potatoes are on top and stay crispy. And then on top of here, let's put some fresh basil with some pepper. There you have roasted potato chorizo salad. You could serve this hot or cold as a main dish or accompany it with other food. It looks and tastes great at a barbecue. The combination of flavours, sweet from the tomato and garlic and spicy from the chorizo sausage, make it a delicious salad. If you don't like roast potatoes or don't have time, then serve with new potatoes. But I think the crispy potatoes add a wonderful dimension to this dish. Don't take my word for it, please now make it for yourself or for friends and family. Thanks for watching today. I hope you have a great week and I look forward to seeing you in another episode. Until then, God bless.